Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you use Starlink internet services. So this video might be interesting for you. In this video, I will show you how to transfer your address from one location to another location and just bring your Starlink standard kit and install the other address as well. So how to transfer or how to change your address in Starlink internet connection? It's very easy. You can do the same process on Starlink application as well. I will show you on my Mac screen. Let's check it out. This is the reliable high-speed internet connection. Here the bunch of other information is available. I just simply click here three line and enter here directly on my account because of I won't change my address, or I will show you the address related information. Here other bunch of options is available. You should, if you want order the Starlink kit, you can use my referral link and receive 1 month internet absolutely free. Just simply click here home, and here the my subscription, your subscription. Here bunch of other options is available. Nickname of your Starlink internet connection, I just simply say Research Rocks. Save. So change the name. My service plan is residential light. It's lowest internet connection, and here service location. You just simply click here and change the location, which location you want change the specific address. So I just simply say here 321 and connection, and then simply say check availability, and if I say confirm this address, so this address automatically update within a 20 minutes, and afterwards I can access this internet on this particular address. So this is the very simple process to transfer Starlink kit one address to another address using these tips and tricks. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.